High wind warnings can be a potentially dangerous situation, as winds of over 40 miles per hour can cause damage to people and property. The strength of these winds, as well as any associated hazards, will be detailed in the warning issued by local weather stations and the National Weather Service. High wind warnings alert individuals to the need to secure outdoor objects such as garbage cans or patio furniture, as such objects can become airborne in high winds. It is also wise to store anything that could become a projectile, as they can cause harm to life and property. High winds can also cause power outages due to downed power lines and damage to electrical equipment. Unless traveling is essential, those in areas under high wind warnings should refrain from using ocean vessels or automobiles, as strong winds can quickly make travel difficult and dangerous. Homeowners should also check the condition of structures and trees in their yards to ensure that they are secure in high winds. It may be wise to stay indoors and secure all windows and doors in areas where a high wind warning is in effect. If outdoors in high winds, people should exercise caution, seek shelter, and stay out of the way of any airborne objects. Warnings of high winds can be issued for an hour or more at a time, depending on the strength of the winds. High winds can be caused by numerous weather systems, from thunderstorms to tornadoes to tropical cyclones. High wind warning alerts not only forewarn of a potentially dangerous situation but also advise the listener on how to best protect themselves and their property. High wind warnings can aggravate existing conditions such as flooding and coastal storms, and should be taken seriously. Individuals should take heed of any warnings issued, to protect their safety and that of their loved ones. High winds can cause extensive damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles, as such objects are easily lifted and hurled through the air. Power lines, telephone poles, and antennas can be easily dislodged and should be left alone until the winds have subsided. Trees can also be uprooted and can cause severe structural damage if they fall onto buildings. Removing oneself to a place of shelter is the best way to avoid injury if an area is under high wind warning. All electrical equipment should be unplugged, as power surges can occur during severe winds. Children should be kept indoors at all times in fenced areas where they cannot come in contact with any airborne objects. Anyone traveling in high winds should also allow extra space between their vehicle and the vehicle in front of them. Being aware of one's surroundings is a key factor in staying safe in high wind conditions. Boats should not venture out into the water until winds have subsided, as boat operators can easily become disoriented and lost. Individuals should stay clear of outside windows and large trees during high wind warnings, as they can be shattered or uprooted. Pet owners should always keep their pets indoors and away from windows or doors during high wind warnings.